Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldorf and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm jumping right into this today. On the chopping block, guess what we got? We got fried green tomatoes. They're not fried yet, but we're going to fry them. Let me show you some of this ingredient. Those are the tomatoes. Let me open this up. Probably wonder why I got it in this container, because it got lots of juice. So what I did with this, I sprinkled some salt on it. You see all that juice in there? It came from the tomato. I only put 1 cap of vinegar in it, and I put salt on it. So when you put the salt on there, and it's been sitting for about good 5 hours in room temperature. Okay, let me see how that looks. Yeah, see, that looks decent. Give me a break. I'm gonna go ahead and hold on for a second before I go ahead and check this TV out, turn this off. I'm constantly watching the news, CNN, but that's another story. Okay, that's what's going on with that. All right, we got 2 eggs that we need. Okay, we got some breadcrumbs and cornmeal. So I mixed it together. Okay. All I did was put half a cup of cornmeal in there and a cup and a half of breadcrumb. It's like Italian breadcrumb. And I just mixed it up like this. Alright. And I have the flour. Okay, I got a cup and half of flour. I got a tablespoon of cornstarch. I have a teaspoon of baking soda, baking powder rather. And what I put in that was some garlic. Okay, I put a 1/4 teaspoon of this in it. I put a teaspoon of Creole seasoning in it by Tony's. I put a 1/4 teaspoon of poultry season. 1/4 teaspoon of pink sea salt. I put a teaspoon of this lemon peppers. I put a tablespoon of onion powder in it. Okay? So remember what I told you about that powder stuff? It's not powder, it's granulated. I don't know why I always say powder. I don't know why. See, like this one said powder on it, but it's granulated, really. So maybe that's why I get confused. The recipe gonna be called. This is gonna be a delicious, crispy, fried green tomato. Alright. Anyway, you're gonna need 2 eggs also. You just hit these, break them up, put that in there. Like that. Get your little milk and a little heavy cream in it. You can use regular milk too. So let's see, probably about that much. Don't worry about the excess flour, because that's where it's going to go in. Now you know I like to put a little hot sauce in mine, but I'm not going to do it this time because I like to put hot sauce on actually my fried green tomatoes. Now, this is all you're going to do. Put that in the sink. You're going to take your tomato, you're going to put it in the flour, like so. The seasoned flour. Make sure you get it all the way around it, on the edges and all. Then you're going to take it in and put it in here, just like this. You're going to submerge it in that, like that, okay? And you take it, put in your breadcrumbs. Let me move this bowl out the way so y'all can see what's going on. Just showing you what I would be doing, what I'm going to be doing in it. Well, I'm not going to go through the whole process because we'll eat up a whole bunch of camera time. See that? That's all you're doing. Press on it a little bit. Looks good to me. What you guys think? Alright, so we're going to put this on deck. right here on this plate. It's the plate where I'm putting it on, because I'm going to stick these in the refrigerator for a half an hour before I fry. Okay, so I'll do one more for you guys. Use this one. Kind of like push that over there. Okay, it's going to get messy. And you're going to get messy, I'm telling you now, so. Okay. Pick our egg stuff. We'll get that on there real good. Now you can use a fork too if you want to. See how that one, like some of it came off because I'm touching with my fingers. Take your breadcrumb and press down on it like so. Squeeze it a little bit gently, just like that. Yeah, and there you go. See? That's what you want. A little piece hanging out right here, some skin. Put that on there. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, guys. And I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll take you over there in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had these tomatoes in the freezer for about half an hour. That's how they look when they got done. You just want to test this grease out. You want about that much in it. See that? That's how far it came up to right here. Start bubbling around it, you know it's ready. So we're going to put some of these tomatoes in here. Okay, that should be enough. Maybe I can squeeze this little one in there. I'm just going to let that cook, guys. I'm leaving 2 minutes on each side. And I'll show you when I flip it over. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm flipping them. So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, I'm back. Just checking them on the other side. Put them on a cooling rack. I want to flip that one a little again. Get that one a little bit more crispier. There's that one. Okay, we'll let that go in a minute. Okay guys, I'm done. There it is. Delicious fried green tomatoes. Hope you guys like it. Please give me a thumbs up, like and share, and please tell your friends and family to subscribe to Bell Dog's Kitchen. I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. See you guys next time in Bell Dog's Kitchen. All right.